One of the things that I love most in life is to give Theta healing courses. It's so much fun, it's so exciting, and the big thing is that I get to watch people transform in front of my eyes. People come in, start taking the courses, realize what they can do with their lives, and they come out glowing and happy and joyous, and this excitement about their lives. And it's just such an honor and privilege to be able to be part of this. I absolutely love it. And I'm sure you've had it in your life where you've done something. It might be an area of your life, or there might be an occasion where everything was just flowing in that way. You know, when it was easy and things just fell into place and you felt that you were in that flow, and it was fun, and it was just so easy. And if that has happened to you, you know how magical that is. That means that you have positive beliefs that are in alignment with what it was that you wanted to create, or what it was that you wanted in your life. So then the universe could just say, yes, here we go. And you could easily attract and manifest that into your life. Now, you might then have other areas of your life or occasions where it hasn't been exactly like that, where it's been a struggle and hard work, and it's just how much effort and time and energy you put into it, it's just not happening. It's like hitting that wall. And then it's just not very nice, is it? It's difficult, it's a struggle. Now, when that happens, it just means that you have negative or limiting beliefs that are not in alignment with what it is that you want to create, or have in your life. And then it's impossible. You can't attract that into your life. So, and most people have a little bit of both. Some more of the one and less of the other. Now, the exciting thing is that you can actually change these. And it's really easy if you know how to. So some examples of beliefs that a lot of people have and that they might not realize is, and I would say the number one belief is that I'm not good enough. So I'm not good enough the way I am. Another one would be I can't love myself. I don't love myself. I can't be loved. Another one is unworthy. I'm not worthy. And a big one is also that I can't be in my full power. I have to sort of dim down. These are big beliefs that are stopping you from moving forward in life. But as I was saying, you can easily change this. And that's what we do in the Theta courses. You learn how to easily and very effectively change your beliefs. So from limiting or negative beliefs to positive beliefs, so that you can just easily and naturally attract things into your life that you want. Kind of manifest the life that you want. And this would be in any area of your life. So that can be in terms of love and having relationships. It can be in terms of creating a business, having that dream home, having a wonderful group of friends, feeling good, and health, of course, having that healthy, vibrant body. And you'll get the tools to do this for yourself. So this is a course for everyone. So you can do this on yourself, and you can use these tools for the rest of your life on your own journey. You can also use them with other people. So I have a lot of coaches, body workers, therapists that come and do these trainings because they can then use these techniques with their clients. And the results for the clients is that much quicker and faster and bigger. So it's very exciting, and I see everyone in my courses and people that come for their own journey, how they light up, and how they just feel that ease with practitioners, coaches, whatever it is that they're doing, and that kind of aha moment when they realized how effective this is and how they can use it with their already existing clients is really beautiful. So I am excited to let you know that the next set of courses are coming up in Bali, in Ubud, and they're coming up in April. And these courses always fill up, so if you're interested, get in touch straight away. There's information attached to this post. Book your spot straight away so you don't miss out. The early bird price is still on for another month, so end of February that finishes. And if you can't come to Bali, they're available in Brussels in July. So you're most welcome to come then, or come to both. That happens quite often. People get a little bit addicted because it's such a powerful way of transforming your life. So, and the more you do it, the deeper it goes, of course. So we do have a lot of people coming back. I really look forward to seeing you either in Bali or Brussels or both. And for now, I'm just sending you big love from Bali.